So hi friends, this is Amit and you are watching my channel Information and Educational Videos. So hope you all and your family members are safe and secure in this COVID situation. So here I will provide you a complete review of VIT Vellore College. Because many students were requesting me for the review of VIT Vellore, as I have already provided the video for the MIT Manipal, that is the college review for MIT Manipal some days back. You can check that video also in the I button as well as the description box. So here I will provide you a similar type of review that is in more detail. Me and my team members have done all the research work related to VIT Vellore, and now I am going to provide you the complete review about this college, and I will try to provide you about other colleges also that are the top college, and IIT and IT triple IT college also, and many college review already present on my channel. You can check that video, and if you want a particular college review, you can comment down college name so that I can take that college for research work. After that I will provide you the complete college review of that college also. So if you're first to my channel, please try to subscribe this channel so that you will get the complete information about everything, whether it will be JEE Mains, JEE Advanced and other entrance exam, other counseling also. For example, VIT, Amrita, Manipal, BITSET, all type of information you will get in the same channel. So please try to subscribe so that you will get all the updated information at the right time for you. So let's start. So let's start this video. So before going in detail of the video, I would like to provide you the brief information about this video, what I will provide to you in this video. That is, first of all, I will talk about the general information that is related to the VIT Vellore, and I will talk about the placement. That is the most important thing. Most of the students are looking for the placement of VIT college. That is I will talk in detail, and I will also talk about the hostel and mess facility. That is the most important thing, because you are going to pay so much academic fee there. So you should know all the thing about the hostel and mess. So I will talk in detail how is the food and all those things related to hostel and mess, what are the facility available there. And I will also talk about the seat matrix, how many number of seats are available in VIT Vellore main campus, and scholarships also I will talk about, and fee and cutoff, that is what is the fee structure for academic and for hostel and mess, and also I will talk about the cutoff that you can expect for this year or in the next year also, and most importantly at the last of this video I will provide you some pros and cons of this video, that is the best thing and worst thing about this college. So let's get started with the general information of the college. So first of all, the college was established in 1984 and the location is Vellore, as you all know, in TN, and it's a private college, and campus size is 372 acre, that is quite big, and campus available in Vellore, Chennai, Bhopal, Amravati. As you all know, there are 4 campus of VIT college available, and last year I have guided so many students to get the admission there during the VIT Triple E counseling. And it is one of the best private colleges in India, because there are so many numbers that suggest the same thing. So now if you will ask that how you can get the admission in this college, so through VIT Triple E exam or through management quota you can take the admission. If you go through the VIT Triple E exam and your score will be good, you have to pay less fee, but once you go through the management quota you have to pay the category 5 fee, and there will be some extra charge also at the time of admission. Next, if you talk about the fee structure of the college, so here is the information. Only tuition fee first I will talk about, that is is 2 with the VIT triple E exam. If you go with the management quota, you have to pay a little bit high, as I told you earlier. So that information I will be providing you at the time of counseling. So here is the information that is for group A. If you go with the category 1, the fee will be 1,76,000, and if you will go with the group B branches, and what are the group A and group B branches, you can check sidewise. I have provided all the details. So for group A branches, the fee structure for category 2, 3, 4, 5 are listed sidewise. You can check that, and for group B as well, it is in red and yellow color respectively. So here is the list of all the branches. It is in group A only few branches are available, but in group B, that is the higher fee courses, there are lots of branches are available. It is all the computer science branches. It is computer science specialization, CSE core, and also EC. So all those branches comes under group B. So you can check sidewise all the detail I have provided. So now there is the information that is eligibility criteria. So who are eligible for getting the admission in this college? That is VIT Vellore. So all the students who have passed class 12 with 55% marks or similar type of examination with 55% marks, and in case of SC, ST and Jammu Kashmir student, it is only 45% marks, that is in PCM. All those students are eligible. So next, if you talk about the hostel and mess, that is the most important thing you should know about this college. Once you know all the thing, then only you can join there, because there are lots of colleges across India and you need only one. So you might be confused at the time of admission and you may go into the wrong college. That's why I'm here to provide complete counseling and mentorship program. So at the time of counseling, I will be providing you complete counseling guidance. That is how you need to do your counseling, which type of branch you should select, whether you should go with VIT or not, what will be the fee at your rank. So all those things I will be discussing similar to the last year. Last year I have guided so many students to get the admission in VIT college, whether it is VIT Vellore or Chennai or other two campuses as well, depending on your rank. At that time you can contact me through the detail that will be available in the description box, so that I will be discuss everything with you, and if possible with your parents as well, so that I will be providing you all the detail up to your admission is done. So here is the detail regarding the hostel and mess. That is first I will talk about the fee structure. So for Indian student, the hostel fee will be 1,14,000 for single bed AC, and for non-AC 74,000. And similarly for other thing you can check sidewise for girls also. That is the second block of fee structure is for girls. You can check that information also. That is for 3-bedded AC 1,19,000. And similarly you can check other also. That is caution fee also you have to pay, that is refundable. And a mess fee will be same for all, that is boys and girls. That is for vegetarian 51,000, for non-vegetarian 58,000, and if you will take a special mess, then you have to pay 66,000 as of now. So now there are some rules. That is hostel and mess fee indicated above are applicable for 2 semesters, that is for 10 months. That is originally it is 12 months, but 2 months will be vacation. So for 10 months it is applicable, and hostel and mess charge will be based on the date of reopening of the institute, because in the current situation colleges are closed. That is the college is going in online mode, so you will not have to go to the hostel, but once it is reopened, you have to go there and you will pay the fee at the according to the current situation. In that fee you will get 44 laundry washes also, that will be included in that fee. You will not have to pay any extra fee for that. And so for NRI and foreign category, we are listed sidewise. That is available in US dollar. That is for single bedded AC $2,350 will be required, and for mess it is $1,000. So for girls also you can check sidewise, all the lists are provided. So here is the facility of the hostel. That is the most important thing. So try to listen my word carefully. That is total 24 hostel are available, 18 for boys and 6 for girls. Hostel closing time will be 9 PM for first year student. That is before 9 PM you have to enter your hostels. After that you will be not allowed. And once you come after the 9 PM you will have to pay some fine for that. The college authority are very strict regarding that. That is hostel a bit strict, but you can enjoy there because they will provide you some luxury as well. And also they will not allow you smoking and alcohol. That is banned in the college, and once you break that rule, you will have to pay fine for that. And one good thing for the student, that is you will able to celebrate your birthdays in the hostel itself. There will be no restriction on that. So the most important thing for all the parents, if you are a parent and you are watching this video, then I would like to inform you that they are very strict That is, they are strict only in the matter by which your student can go into the other path. That's why they are very strict. But in case of studies, they are flexible, so that a student can do all type of studies that I will talk later in this video. So dining facility are awesome here, because I have checked all the detail and I have talked with so many students, and personally I have done lots of research for VIT, and my team members also have done the research. So I know all the information. That's why I am providing you all the detail. That is, dining facility are awesome. You will be served better food, and you will not have any type of problem with your accommodation there in the hostel. So all type of food are available. That is, I told you earlier, that is, food is very important, and it is available in a very good quality there in VIT Vellore. And in almost all the colleges of South India, you will get a very good food, because I know so many colleges that are the top college in South India. They provide a very good food. So if you are from any place of India and you are joining and you have the problem related to the food, no need to worry. You will be getting very hygienic food and different type of food also. If you are a vegetarian or non-vegetarian, for all the students, they will provide you the food. Restaurant, canteen, Domino's, all type of facility are available inside the campus itself. So you don't need to go anywhere. You will be able to get all the facility in your campus itself. So now let's talk about the campus facility other than hostel and mess. So all type of well-designed labs are available. As you also know, VIT is one of the best colleges in India currently. So they have all type of lab equipped with current technologies. So you will not have any type of problem during your lab period, and you will able to enjoy there by doing all type of research. Fully AC library are available. That is, you will not have any type of problem in any season there. That is, you will be able to go to the library. That is a quite big library there, and you will able to do your studies from 8 AM up to midnight. So next, if you talk about the fest in the VIT Vellore, so it is a cultural fest, that is the Riveria, that is most famous in the VIT Vellore campus. You will able to enjoy at the time, because they say that only academic education is not enough for the student. They should develop socially, mentally, and all other skill also students should have. Available, that is related to technology and other fields, and there are 90 plus clubs are available. As you also know, VIT is a little bit crowded, so there are lots of clubs, so you can join any type of clubs and you can explore yourself more and more. If you talk about the sports facility, so all indoor and outdoor sports are available in VIT Vellore. All type of sports, whichever you are interested in, you will able to get those type of sports facility there. It is all type of equipment, and all the grounds and outdoor, indoor are available there. And also there is swimming pool availability, that is separate for boys and girls, and gym, that is both type free and paid gym are available in the VIT Vellore campus. These are the facility of VIT Vellore, and there are many more facility that are a small facility, but I have listed all the important facility for your college life, because you have to live 4 years there. So this thing matter, because you are going to pay a lot of money for the academics. So I think you should know all those things. That's why I'm providing you the information related to VIT Vellore, and similar type of information I will be providing you for other colleges also in the same channel. So please try to subscribe. It's my humble request to all of you, and please try to share this video to your friends also, so that they can also get this information, so they will not do any type of mistake. So now let's talk about the scholarships. What are the scholarships provided through the VIT EEE exam? So first is, all state and central topper will get 100%, that is tuition fee waiver scheme, and for VIT EEE examination 1 to 50 rank will get 75% reduction in the tuition fee, only tuition fee, not the hostel and mess fee. So for 51 to 100 rank student, there will be 50% tuition fee waiver scheme, and for 101 to 1000 rank student, you will get 20% discount, that is the 20% fee waiver scheme. So this is about the scholarship. So now I would like to introduce the Philo app, where you can get the solution of all your question, doubt, or you have problem with any type of concept related to JEE or NEET or boards examination. Then you can get the solution 24/7 with these 3 easy steps. That is, first you have to download the Philo app in the Play Store, and then you have to do the sign up process using your mobile number, and after that take the photo of your question and upload that in the app, and after that within 60 seconds you will be connected to the India's best educator.
क्वेश्चन में आप कहना चाहते हैं कि बल्ब की पावर कितनी है। अगर बल्ब जो है वो 220 वोल्टेज पर ऑपरेट हो रहा है, राइट। इस बैटरी का जो वोल्टेज है वो आपको गिवन है 220। तो ये आपको सिंपल रिलेशन हो गया यहाँ पर। अब अगर कोई आपको और डाउट है तो बताइए।
So without wasting your time, download the Philo app. Link is available in the description box and use the code IEB001. You will get the 10% instant discount. Thanks. So now let's talk about the ranking of the college. That is where it stands in India, Asia and world as well. So here is the information. NRF ranking is 12th as of now. That is in engineering, and for university NRF rank is 8th, and for research NRF rank is 12th, and for Shanghai ARWU ranking, that is world university ranking, it is between 801 to 900, and same for Indian university ranking 10th, and same for Asia university ranking, it is 251 to 300 rank. It is in between that. So let's talk about the seat matrix of the college. It is most important thing because you should know how much seat are available, so whether you will get a chance or not. So there are 1200 seat of computer science, and for EC 720 as of now, and they increase every year some seats. So no, don't need to worry, they will increase some seat as well, because VIT is all about having lots of crowd, so they will increase the seat, that is 100% sure. So you can check sidewise all the list have provided for the different type of branches and the number of seat. So here is all the list have been provided. It is biotechnology have 180 seats, civil engineering have 180 seats. So they provide more seat to the tech related branches, that is CS and CS related branches, that is CS specialization. But for other core branches they provide very less seat, such as for biomedical engineering 60 seat, and for mechanical also 60 seat, and for production industrial engineering also 60 seats are available. So now let's talk about the placement. It is the most important thing before joining a particular college, because you should know about the placement record also, because ultimately 90% of the students are going to the better college for the placement. It is better placement. So here is the detail. It is 100% placement is there, as you will pay so much fee, then it is 100% sure that is you are going to get the job. But how salary you will get, that will depend on your hard work that you will do in the 4 years. So average package is 7.4 lakh per year, median is 6.5 lakh per year, highest is 42 lakh per year, and there are 480 plus company visited last year during the campus placement, and average is a little bit low in comparison of other private colleges, because here crowd is more. So once the crowd will be more, many students get less salary job, so that makes the average salary a little bit low. If you go for the other college, it is Manipal or Amrita, so their average package is greater than VIT. In terms of comparison between the college, there is not so much difference, and for that I will be providing you a complete comparison video between the VIT, MIT, BITSET, Amrita, so that you can get a better idea whether you should go with this college or that college. So for that also please try to subscribe this channel, so that you will be getting all those videos in the same channel. So now let's talk about the all branches cutoff, that is expected cutoff you can expect for this year or next year as well. Sidewise I have provided all, you can check sidewise, because otherwise video will be so long. So please try to check all the details sidewise. I have provided everything, that is for category 1, category 2, category 3, category 4 and category 5. There are 5 type of category, and for your kind information I would like to inform you, this is not the category system like JEE and JUSA counseling. It is about the fee, not about your caste or category. That is, if you are from SC ST you will get better category or a different category. That is not like that. It is about the fee. Once you go with the better category you will have to pay less fee, and how much I have already provided the information earlier in this video. So here is all the detail are available. It is, if you just want to get into the VIT Vellore, then at least you should have 45,000 rank for category 1, for category 2 70,000, and only 1 lakh rank the student will get the admission in VIT Vellore and Chennai campus. Otherwise you have to take the admission in the remaining 2 campus of the Vellore, and for that also I will be providing you the information in the same channel. So now here is a very important information, as I told you earlier. So I just want to provide you a unique detail about the VIT counseling. That is, VIT counseling is unique, it is different from other. And how? So I would like to inform you that in every counseling it is like that there will be multiple rounds of counseling, and you will be able to fill the choices or rearrange the choices after first round. Or in some counseling it is not like that, you will not allowed to change your choices. But here there will be only one phase of the counseling for you, and depending on your rank, once you miss that you will miss the chance of getting the college, and once you do mistake there you may have to pay the higher fee. That same I have written sidewise, that is with one mistake you can lose your seat or even you have to pay higher fee. Suppose if you will do any type of mistake and you will get category 3 instead of category 2, you have to pay 1 lakh per year more. It is 4 lakh for 4 years. So it is very advisable to take your decision very carefully. Last year I have seen this thing, a student were regretting after doing the mistake. Some student lose their seat even after getting the good rank, and some student were paying more fee even after getting the better rank. So it is very advisable, do your counseling very carefully at the time of counseling, and you can contact me through the information available in the description box for the complete counseling guidance and mentorship. And not only about VIT, if you will do later any other counseling also, of course you will do JOSA counseling for JEE Mains. For that also I will be guiding you, that is complete counseling means up to your final admission. I will be guiding you by discussing with you and if possible with your parents as well. Now let's talk about some pros and cons of this college, that is VIT Vellore. So first of all I will talk about the best thing about this college, and thereafter some drawback of this college. First of all, best campus life will be available there. You can compare it with some top IITs, not the lower IITs, and some top NITs as well, because campus is very good and you can check different type of campus tour video on the YouTube also, and I have also provided you the campus tour video in this video. The campus is just awesome. So safe for girls, that is most important. I am not telling other colleges are not safe for girls, but they provide some better safety measure for the girls students. So if you are a parents of girls and you are thinking about the safety, then you should join this college, because this college will provide you safety for the girls. And other college also providing, I am not telling that, but this college you can join. Many parents and a student last year told me that it is not safe, it is not like that. So I just want to correct that. It is very safe for the girls, and they provide some quality safety feature for the girls. So next is best infrastructure. You can see different type of buildings and hostel available, and facility will be very good there. And you can explore as much as possible, because there will be lots of crowd, and in once you get more crowd, you will able to see different type of a student from all parts of India, and you will able to learn a lot, and you can, by getting all those experience. So next is flexibility credit system, that is you can choose your timetable when you want to attend your class, from which teacher you want to take your lectures. That is very unique system in VIT. As I told you earlier that with the studies the college is very flexible, but other than studies things, college is very strict. So I think it is a good news for all the parents who are looking for the VIT college, because all parents looks for better studies. So VIT will provide you that. According to my research, I am telling you all those things because I have done all type of research work for this college. So no attendance rule will be there. This might sound wrong, but it is not wrong. In college life, a student have some discipline, and with that they can get the excellence and success in the life. But if you will force to take the classes, you may not get the studies, because self study is the most important thing. So they provide all those things. You can attend the classes by your own, but there should be at least minimum classes you have to attend, but not such fixed rule that you have to attend 80% classes or 90% classes. So best sports facility you will get there. That is the most important thing, because sports is integral part of campus life. Every student plays one or other sport, so there will be all type of sports facility available, as I told you earlier. Best hostel and mess, I have provided you all the information related to hostel and mess. And placement is best, as I told you, because every type of a student we are able to get the placement, and of course you get the placement because you are paying a lots of fee. And last but not the least, food is very good. It is hygienic food you will get. So if you are a parent and you are thinking about the food of your student, you don't need to worry. They will provide all type of food, whether it will be veg or non-veg. You will not have any type of problem with that. So next, if you talk about the worst thing about the college, here first of all is fee is a bit high, and you can associate this thing with all type of private college, that is top private college, because they provide facility that is similar to the IITs and top NITs. So they charge a little bit high fee. So here you have to pay a little bit high fee. That is one of the drawback of this college. And return of investment is okay type. That is, if you are thinking that I will pay 20 lakh or 25 lakh fee in the college in 4 years and I will get 25 lakh job, that is not 100% true, because those packages only few students will able to get. So next is more crowd and competition. As I told you earlier, more crowd will be there. So if you have problem with the crowd, then it might be a not good option for you. And as the crowd will be more, so competition will be more. And average salary is low as compared to the other colleges because of the high crowd. Once the crowd is high, majority of the student will able to get the less salary, so that make the average package low. So last but not the least, that is VIT is a strict college. In case of other than a studies thing, if you will go in wrong path, they will restrict you at the time, and you will be not allowed to do other things than studies there, and you will be not allowed to do the wrong things there. So this was the complete information related to VIT Vellore. I hope you have find this video very useful. I have done a lots of research work while making this video, so please try to subscribe this channel and just share this video to your friends, and also try to like this video so that this video can reach to maximum number of students, so that every student will able to watch this video. So please try to subscribe this channel. It's a humble request to you again. Thanks.